In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate exponents in Microsoft Excel. Working with exponents can seem tricky at first, but Excel makes it very easy and accurate. Whether you are doing mathematical calculations, financial modeling, or scientific data analysis, knowing how to use Excel for powers will save you a lot of time and effort. To start, enter your data in a simple table. In the first row, put your headers like base in column A and exponent in column B. Then, in the rows below, enter the numbers you want to work with. For example, in cell A2, you might have 3, and in cell B2, you might have 4. It's important that your formulas reference the numeric values, not the headers. There are two main ways to calculate exponents in Excel. The first method is using the caret symbol. Click on the cell where you want the result and type equals A2 caret B2, then press Enter. Excel will calculate 3 raised to the power of 4 and display 81. You can drag this formula down the column if you have multiple rows of numbers, and Excel will automatically adjust the references for each row. The second method is using the power function. Click on the cell for your result, type equals power, open parentheses, then enter the base number, a comma, and the exponent. For example, equals power, open parentheses, A2, comma, B2, close parentheses, will give you the same result of 81. Using the power function is helpful if you prefer function formulas or are working with more complex formulas that involve exponents as part of larger calculations. Like the caret method, you can also drag this formula down to calculate exponents for multiple rows. Both methods work with positive numbers, negative numbers, and even decimal exponents. Excel instantly computes the result, making it reliable and efficient. Remember to always reference the correct cells below your headers to avoid errors. And that's all you need to know to calculate exponents in Microsoft Excel. With these techniques, you can handle any set of numbers quickly and accurately, keeping your spreadsheets clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future Excel tips and tutorials.